Good day, sir. My name is Eperjan Robles-Sotorian from Section India. The video that I'm going to perform is all about the collecting and preservation of biological evidences, specifically in blood and body fluids, collection of method, and also the 4 methods of how to collect blood and blood fluids on the crime scene.
The first method that we are going to perform is cutting. The investigator need to cut the portion of the item where the suspected blood stain adheres. The instrument we use is a scissor, and then we put them on a paper bag in order to preserve the type of evidence that we discover in a suspected item. The second method is a wet absorption. The items we use here is cotton buds and distilled water in order to moisture the tip of the cotton buds and reserve it in the suspected evidences. After that, we air dry the cotton buds as preservation the evidences, and after we put on the paper bag we shelled. Also, we're doing cotton buds dried, not moistured, by distilled water, adaptation or way of absorption and evidences in collecting. The third method that we're going to perform is tape lifting. Tape lifting is only applicable on absorption item material like cement tiles or glass. This activity we use Scotch tape as lifter instead of using a finger. After to remove a suspected bloodstains adhering on a suspected material or item, and then we put in a paper bag to preserve the evidences and shield it properly for laboratory examination that be done by the investigator. The last method that we are going to perform is scrapping method. Scrapping method must be done on scrapping the item where the suspected evidences adheres. Scrapping must be done removing a suspected stain on something by sterilized sharp object or material. In this activity, we use a sterilized knife to remove suspected stain in the wood, and also we use a clean paper to catch the falling scrap evidences from falling into the ground, and then we put these evidences on paper bag to serve as evidences and for laboratory examination.